Hey guys, happy Friday, Liz here. First of all, I'd like to come on and say to all of those that are in the storm's path, please know that I'm praying for you and I hope all is well and that you're safe and sound. I just had to say that because I've been watching the news and I feel terrible for anyone who's in that path and that it just looks awful. So prayers and hugs and love to all of you. And secondly, I'd like to come on and say thank you guys for all your sweet comments, not only last night, but this whole week. You guys are the best, and I mean that. And I not only consider you guys my subscribers, but I consider you my friends. So from one friend to another, thank you. Y'all are the best. All right, let's get into the video. You guys may remember when I hold this little box. It says Farmer's Market, and I love the wire on the top. And I got this at Michael's. I don't remember the price because I took the sticker off. But the plants I had for it are long gone. I took the fall floral picks and the pumpkins and used them for another arrangement. I don't know why I did that, but I did. So we're gonna create something different. So I have this floral, like I guess it's like raffia. I think it's raffia. Oh no, it's American moss. Hello, it's right there. American moss. I'm gonna use what's left of it. And then I got this little bag of really cute pumpkins from the grocery store. And then I've got these leftover floral picks. So we're going to create something in this little box with these items. And we'll see how it turns out. So I've got my box. I'm going to open it. And then I'm going to put my American moss on the inside. And I'm hoping it's going to be enough. I'm probably going to have to flute this up. You know what? We're going to use the bag to fluff it up. Fluff it up. Okay. Now I've got my pumpkins and I'm going to open those up. May take me a second. Aren't these cute? Isn't it cute? Man, we're just going to place them randomly in this basket. I'm going to go get something to fluff it up more. When all else fails, crumpled paper towel. So I'm going to take these out again. We're going to pick this up and put this paper towel under here to add some height. That's a little bit better. Okay. Now we can start playing with the pumpkins. And I kind of like to put them in all different ways. They're so cute. I just love these. It's so funny, the stems on these are all different from one another. Very cute. Super simple, guys. Okay. Okay, gotta think this through. I'm cutting these little things off because I want to add some green in here. Actually, there's those darn stickers again. You think the stores would put them on the bottom. I don't know why they do that on the top. Y'all see where I'm going with this? I like this because it kind of adds a more natural look and feel. So I'm just pushing those little things up. I think it's looking pretty cute. What do y'all think? Looks like a little pumpkin patch to me. Maybe a couple more and I will be done. And guys, these were from Walmart. So these were only 97 cents a bushel. And the American moss was dirt cheap. These little pumpkins were really cheap. All of this was very, very inexpensive. So it just goes to show sometimes you can buy something that's a little more expensive, like the box, but everything that's going into it is very inexpensive. So that's how I like to decorate, is once in a while get a piece that's a little more on the expensive side. And this wasn't expensive by any means, but it was more than I would have liked to have spent. And then you can add inexpensive stuff to it to make it look pretty, but it looks expensive. I think it looks adorable. Looks like fall to me. And let's see. I think I just need one more and we are done. Oh, I think that looks adorable. So pumpkins, raffia, and some stems from Walmart. And that's all it took. And check it out. Super cute. I like the little hay coming out. Happy fall, y'all. Okay, guys, here's my little decorated box, and I'm going to call it the pumpkin patch. I love it. And this would be really cute displayed on any table, but I am going to try to put this in my little French country hutch that I just decorated yesterday. And I think that's going to be my next video. So I'm going to redecorate the inside of it and oomph it up. I got some fairy lights that are orange at Walmart today. So I'm going to put some raffia on the shelves and we're going to put some fairy lights out. And I'm hoping this will fit in there. So hope you guys like this. And that's it for today. I will be back on Monday with more fall decorating. Y'all have a great weekend. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.